Okay, but I'm going to get the Des Moines Test today, because actually, no, Tornado can comment on videos. I'm trying to find it. Give me a sec. Yeah, because he commented, see? Sound to... It's 6:58. I'm going to get stream right up now. I'm going to pause it until I get load. Bye. Okay, I got the mine up. Moved to that one.
The pressure was 30.19 inches and falling. Looking around the area, across central Iowa, temperatures were between 68 and 70 degrees. It was sunny at Boone, Ames, Marshalltown, Newton, and Encanay. At Perry, it was fair. Here are some conditions elsewhere in Iowa. Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny.
I'm going to now go.
It was 69 at Spencer,
7.
67 at Mason City,
Here goes the
68
test.
at Waterloo, and
Any minute
67
now.
at the Quad Cities. Ottumwa reported 67. Lamoni reported 68. Omaha Council Bluffs reported 73. And Sioux City reported 69. Now for a few weather conditions around the region. At Kansas City, it was sunny. The temperature was 70 degrees. At Grand Island, it was sunny. The temperature was 75 degrees. At Sioux Falls, it was sunny. The temperature was 69 degrees.
Here it is! My voice, alright, I'm on! Yeah!
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas. WXL 57 at Des Moines. WXL 94 at Bremer County. WXK 84 at Fort Dodge. KXI 98 at Marshalltown. KXI 62 at Montezuma. WXM 91 at Raspin Lake. WNG 730 at Ottumwa. KZZ 51 at Carroll. KZZ 68 at Van Wert. KXI 65 at Lennox. WNG 666 at Iowa Falls. WNG 668 at Denison. WNG 688 at Ringsted. KJY 63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/.